Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I have a couple of videos for you tonight, but I want to go on and get this video done. I have another DIY custom art. I will show you another one later tomorrow, but this one I'm going to tell you what you will all need. You will need a 11 by 12 art canvas. No, 11 by 14. Yeah, this is 11 by 14 art canvas. You will also need paint of your choosing. You will need silver leaf or golden leaf and the adhesive for it. And you will also need a a filter. I'll show you that at a later date. But yeah, and all you need to do to make this is using your hands. And all you're going to do is you're going to move it around on the canvas and you're going to get your art. And then once you do that, you let it dry. I let it dry for 2 nights. And yeah, it turned out very beautiful. I added a little bit of silver glitter in it, and then I also put silver leaf on it. So this is what it looks like. Hope y'all can see that. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, that's what it looks like. This could take you about a minute and two. And if you can't tell, mostly if you can see the silver leaf right up in let me show you. You see it down up in here, and you'll see it all up in here as well. But it did, I say, for it did wonderful just for this piece. But if you have the little edging and stuff, if you're edging, if you do to let the paint fall off of it, make sure you do some cutting, trimming, filing it down. I mean, because that's what I'm still doing right now. I'm still like cutting and filing it down on the tip edges and stuff. And make sure you have it. And like sometimes the edges will be tough to do to remove, so you'll have to do that and stuff. But yeah, so let me give you an insight of what the edges are looking like. So this is what the edge is still raw. It's still like it has paint on it, but you have to work it just to get it. I do have another one I'm doing for my other bathroom, but this one is for my bathroom. This is for my bathroom and everything. But yes. So if you like this DIY and thing, I will leave everything I use in the prescript bottom of the bar. Make sure you thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.